Hey guys, today, let's learn how to see Apple ID password on your iPhone. So if you guys want to go ahead and discover and basically see your Apple ID password on your iPhone device, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys step by step just how to basically do this. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. So I don't really want to be the bearer of bad news and basically lie to you guys, but on the current update of iOS, there is currently no way for you guys to see the Apple ID password. So if you want to go ahead and see your Apple ID password on your iPhone, scenario that you forgot your password, the only way to see it is to basically, forget about it altogether and go ahead and reset your Apple ID. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to reset your Apple ID if you still want to see and know your password again, basically by using a new password altogether. So going over onto the settings application, then let's tap on your option, basically to see the Apple ID right here. So as you see, you're gonna have the option to sign out, if you prefer to do so. Now if you want to see your password, of course, you do need to go ahead and sign out, and go back in and sign in, or in the case that you can really sign out, what we can do from here is to go ahead and basically launch the Apple ID on the browser's option. So search for Apple ID, or on Apple.com, and I want you to proceed on iCloud.com, and I want you to proceed with logging in, or basically typing in sign in, and then let's go ahead and tap on the option to proceed with forgot password. That's gonna show you, of course, the step-by-step procedure to go ahead and reset your Apple ID password. Go ahead and follow this on-screen procedures. Of course, you need to confirm your identity to do this. And by the end of this on-screen instructions of basically resetting your Apple ID, you're gonna have your password. And basically just take note of that on a physical paper so that you won't forget it and won't lose it on any other location. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something.